This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 18, Understanding Group Dynamics II. Groups exist in various forms, such as formal, informal, command, task, and functional, with a deep understanding of group types being crucial for analyzing group dynamics. Informal groups emerge organically based on shared interests, friendships, and affiliations, providing social validation, comparison, and the potential to influence work processes both positively and negatively. Factors like group resources, size, roles, norms, and cohesiveness directly impact group behavior and effectiveness, with small, cohesive groups that have suitable roles and shared norms tending to be more effective. Group processes generate diverse information, alternatives, and facilitate solution acceptance, with effective communication, conflict management, and leadership dynamics playing crucial roles, while cohesiveness, size, conflict, and communication affect overall group effectiveness. Achieving a meaningful life involves enjoying life, sharing success, and finding purpose beyond material achievements, with informal group dynamics like trust, self-disclosure, and mutual regard facilitating the achievement of formal goals. In conclusion, group dynamics, relationship building, sincerity, and mindful communication play vital roles, with key takeaways being the influence of informal groups on work dynamics, the effectiveness of small cohesive groups, the importance of meaningful communication in fostering trust and effectiveness, the impact of group processes on knowledge sharing and decision-making, and the enhancement of performance through assigning suitable roles. The key takeaways are: informal groups impact work dynamics and effectiveness. Small, cohesive groups with defined roles promote effectiveness. Communication facilitates cohesiveness and trust. Groups enable information sharing and solution acceptance. Understanding group types aids group dynamics analysis, and a meaningful life transcends material success. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.